the action to be taken by the impeachment court on this, that discretion falls in the impeachment court. But we're very hopeful that they will grant it, again, since it's based on strong legal basis.
We do not speculate, but we are optimistic that the Senate will grant the request of the House prosecution. As again, explained earlier, referencing to the previous Corona trial.
But if ever the Senate Impeachment Court grants your request, ano pong expectation niyo po from the President? From President Bongbong Marcos Jr. If ever the Senate Impeachment Court grants your request for subpoena of tax records of the Vice President and her spouse?
Well, again, let's wait for the impeachment court's ruling on this, because it's possible that the impeachment court will sustain the prosecution's position that there's even no need for the president's consent. Why? Because the Constitution trumps special laws. Dahil ang unang posisyon ho namin dito, mas supreme ang Constitution natin, which grants the impeachment court the sole authority to decide and try impeachment proceedings. Kasama ho dito sa kapangyarihan nila na litisin ang impeachment proceedings ay mag-issue ng subpoena. So, again, this is the highest form of accountability mechanism in the Constitution. So, paniwala namin dito, mas mataas ito, no? Doon sa provisions ng National Internal Revenue Code. So, para makita ang buong katotohanan, merong karapatan at kapangyarihan ang Senate, sitting as an impeachment court, para i-compel ang BIR na ipresenta ang mga dokumento na ito. No? So, hintayin mo natin kung anong magiging pagpapasya ng impeachment court. It's also possible na sasabihin din ng impeachment court na tulad ng nangyari dun sa nakaraang impeachment proceeding na kinakailangan i-require ng BIR Commissioner ang BI Commissioner na mag-request ng consent ng Presidente. But again, ayaw ko natin paunahan kung ano magiging pagpapasya ng impeachment court.